Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change candle color on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the candle color on the TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app guys, you land on this interface where you can see the chart button at the bottom left corner of the screen just beside the watch list. Tap on the chart button. And over here guys, at the right side, at the bottom right side, you can see there is the settings icon or the gear icon just beside just below the price list. Over here you can see this is the price list over here, and just below this bar there is the settings button. Tap on the settings button and scroll down until you can see the more settings button over here, and you can see at this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is the scales and lines button, and there is the back arrow. Tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen, and you can see the symbol button at the top of the screen. Tap on the symbol button, and these are the colors of your candle guys. If you want to change your candle colors, you can put something like this. I'll be putting them like this, and I'll just change the body's color for now. Let's tap on the OK, and you can see the color of the candle changed over here like this. And with that being said guys, this is how to change your candle color on the TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.